Hello, olders. Welcome back to my channel. If you come first time my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share with your older friends. Who get Social Security payment on May 2026? Pranav Benefit TV. Why did your neighbor get their Social Security check already while you were still waiting? The answer comes down to one simple detail: your birth date. Millions of Americans are preparing to receive the second wave of Social Security payment for May 2026 for retiree DGFL workers and survivor beneficiaries. These monthly checks are essential for paying bills, buying groceries, and covering healthcare costs. Now, the Social Security Administration has confirmed exactly who will receive payment on Wednesday, May 2026. Who gets paid on May 2026? If your birthday falls between the 11th and 20th of any month, your Social Security payment is scheduled for Wednesday, May 2026. This includes people receiving retirement benefit, SSDI, disability payment, survivor benefit, and here's something important many people don't realize. If you receive benefit based on another person work history, Social Security use their birth date, not your to determine your payment schedule. How the business day schedule works. The Social Security Administration divides monthly payment into three business day group. Birthday from the first 10th paid on the second business day. Birthdays from the 11th 20th paid on third business day. Birthdays from the 21st 31st paid on the fourth business day. For May 2026, that means May 13 first group, May 20 second group, May 27 third group. This system helps the SSA process millions of payments smoothly every month. Social Special Payment Rule. Not everyone follow the Wednesday payment schedule. People who started receiving Social Security before May 1987 usually receiving payment on the third of each month. Also, people receiving both Social Security and Supplemental Security income, known as SSI, generally receive SSI on the first of the month, Social Security on the third of the month. If those dates fall on weekend or holidays, payments are sent earlier. SSI payment schedule for the rest of 2026. The SSA has also released the upcoming SSI payment date for the rest of 2026. Some important dates include June 1st for June payments, July 1st for July payments, July 31 for August payments, September 1st for September payments. These early deposits happen whenever the normally payment date falls on a weekend or holiday. Growing concern about Social Security. At the same time, concern about the future of Social Security continue growing. Current estimates show the program could face funding shortage as early as 2032 if Congress does not make change. Some research suggests retirees could eventually see benefit reduction of nearly 28% if no long-term solution is passed. That's why discussion about Social Security reform are becoming more important every year. If your birthday falls between the 11th and 20th, your Social Security payment should arrive on Wednesday, May 2026. The payment schedule may seem confusing at first, but if follow a predictable system based mainly on birth date or benefit type. Understanding these rules can help retirees better plan monthly expenses and avoid unnecessary stress while waiting for deposit. Have you already received your Social Security payment this month, or are you still waiting for May 27? Comment below and share your experience, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification for more Social Security update and retirement news.